But the question is here, is AI security if we're gonna adopt it in our operation? Now, this is very tricky question, and we know that it's not really secure. And if I'm using a machine learning that is exposed through API, can attackers come over and take over my machine learning and abuse that into more leveraging that for harmful attacks? Yes, it is doable. For example, here, can we trust AI ML? What if we ask US Army, can you trust them? They did an operation, or they did a test actually on a missile where it was not adversarially targeted, but the machine learning, because it was trained on certain amount of data, when it was put into test, it was not really successful. So the adversarial can happen not just by malicious and crafted perturbation core against certain target, but also because the data might not be complete, so the adversarial behavior might be already existing there. So we need to be careful when we are training machine learning here, is what the type of data we are feeding. Are we covering all the cases? Now, what are the type of adversarial attacks against machine learning? We have multiple type of attacks. Poisoning, this is related to the data only, where you can poison the data set and then you can bypass any possible defense if you know what you are doing and you have access maybe to the model through white box attacks, or even if through gray or black box. Evasion attack is different, where you can evade. So it doesn't target the data, you target the model directly, you target the weight directly. Now there's to shift them, like the adversarial attack is more focusing on traditional models like CNN or LSTM or this model, but LLM attacks a bit different, where we can prompt directly the model through prompt injection or through jailbreaking or prompt leaking. Now, what's red teaming in AI security? Red teaming for machine learning, AI security, yes. So red teaming focus on two perspectives, AI safety and AI security both. Now, someone can ask me, what's the differentiation? AI security, we try to secure the model against target attacks. Someone is trying to target my model. I have a model hosted somewhere on Hugging Face. I have an API exposed for the public. Someone tried to attack that model. Now, AI safety is different because I'm not knowledge in training the model, or I have limitation in testing my model. The model can generate harmful content and can perform if someone prompted and abuse the model, they can generate some harmful content from the model. This is where the domain of AI safety come into study these effects and try to alignment more toward the human being ethics and values.